Ito yung Unilever guys, oh. Dito sa Switzerland. Yung flag ng Switzerland, oh. Unilever. Ang laki ng kumpanya nila guys, oh. Laki dito ng building ng Unilever. Big building, ya? Unilever. Dito sa Switzerland.
Wait.
Natin. See? Unilever. Malalaki mga bahay nila dito. Sa Switzerland kami.
This is so far. Here.
Mga house nila ba guys?
This is also free water. The free water here is parking, but you pay.
Have to pay? Free parking?
No free parking.
Ganda rin dito sa Switzerland, no? Nice also here, no? Switzerland.
Good place.
Simbahan nila guys, oh. Dito kasi kami manggagaling papuntang Italy. Kaya dito kami namasyal. Yan mga bahay nila guys, ang ganda. Thank you for watching. God bless.